Okay, hi everybody. My name is Dan Hutchinson. I'm your professor for this course. Making this video for drivetrains level 1. I'm also going to send it to levels 2 students just in case you're not familiar with online with eCentennial if you're new to the school. A bunch of you for level 2 I've already had you before, so welcome back as well. And if you know where you're going, then you don't really need to pay too much attention to this video, but it's just an outline of how the course will work online and expectations and where to go each week. Okay, so this is our home page for eCentennial. This is the online learning system. So how you get to this screen is you can just easily Google it. So just Google eCentennial login, and then you'll come up to one of the screens. I just want to see, yeah, I'm already logged in, so it automatically came to the screen, but you'll have to use your student ID number and the password that's been given to you to log in. But this is what the home page looks like when you first log in. This box over here, when you click on here with all these little squares, is a drop-down box that will show all your courses that you're currently enrolled in and taking. So these are all the different courses and stuff that I'm teaching, but these are what will show up for you. Okay, so our class right here is drivetrains, or if you're in level 2, that's this course right here. Okay, so then all you have to do is click on that, and it takes you into the course, which looks like this. Okay. For everybody, if you ever need to get a hold of me, I put this on the home page. So this is the first thing you see whenever you click on our class is my email address right here. So Dan Hutchinson at centennialcollege.ca. If you need to get a hold of me for any reason, please just use that email to get a hold of me. If, for example, you're not going to be able to make it to our online class, which is mandatory for everybody each week, you have to let me know ahead of time so that I can try and help you out. If you let me know after the class is finished, it's a lot harder for me to help you out with making up the class and not falling behind. Okay. So same with labs. Labs, you guys should all have your schedules for where you're coming into the class. That's the same thing for the lab. If you're going to miss the lab, you need to let me know ahead of time as well. Especially level 1, we do not have very much time together for labs. So if you miss a lab, it is going to greatly impact your mark. And this is the same with level 2, but it's not as bad of an impact as level 1. Level 1, we don't have very many labs at all. So if you miss a lab, that will greatly impact your mark. So please get a hold of me immediately. Okay, so where you're going each week. For level 1 students, we have class at 11:30 on Mondays. That means you have to be logged into your computer at 11:30. Level 2 students, I have you on Monday mornings at 7:30, bright and early. Bring your coffees. I will have mine. And that's when we'll be having our theory class. And the same thing, you need to be logged in at that time. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to click on content up here. And then our content page is going to open up. Here is our course outline and expectations. You need to go over this. I will go over this as well first thing on Monday with you, but you should have a read through ahead of it, ahead of time. See if you have any questions or anything. And then this is where our classes will take place each week and where you need to go. So here is week 1. So we're starting off with push type clutches and flywheel assemblies. Level 2, we're starting off with pull type clutches and flywheel assemblies. And this is week 1. This is an overview of what is actually going on for the week. So if you're not sure what we're doing this week, this is where it will be in. And it will also have your textbook readings that you're required to do during the week as well. This will have any homework that I've assigned to you. Also, will be posted in here. Any quizzes or assignments will be linked in here as well, but I will tell you about that during the theory class. This right here, theory class, this is where you click on for our actual class, okay? But like I said, if your class starts at 7:30 or if it starts at 11:30 on Mondays, you have to be on here at that time. So you're going to come to this page right here, and then you're going to click Launch Bongo. Okay, and then here is where our class is. So as you can see right here, our class, this class doesn't actually start for 2 days and 20 hours. When the time actually comes for this class to start, which is Monday, August 31st at 11:30 a.m., we can see right here, this icon, Enter Meeting Room, will glow blue, or it will turn blue. It won't really glow, it'll just turn blue. And you can click on it, and then that gets you into the classroom. If you have an issue with that, you can click on this link as well. And the big thing you also need to do is do this. This has to be done ahead of time before our class on Monday is computer pre-checks. You need to click on here and ensure your computer is ready for the meeting. So you may have to download some software for it to get ready. This is your responsibility. If you come to class on Monday and it doesn't work and you have an issue, you were supposed to have done this already. Okay, so make sure you get that done ahead of time. So when class starts, this is where it will be. So on Monday at 7:30 a.m. for Drivetrains Level 2, you'll be coming and clicking on this. And on Monday at 11:30 for Drivetrains Level 1, you'll be coming in here as well in your own individual class. Okay, so getting back to the content, I just click on content. And so week 1. Okay, so that's where it is. So if I post any videos or anything, I'll have the links to videos and stuff like that right there. If you need to find quizzes and assignments, so this is under assessments. So here's where you'll find quizzes, and this is where you'll find any assignments. I'll also provide the link down here to them each week, but you can also find them through there. Okay, so that really is about it. If you have any questions, like I said, send me off an email. And welcome to everybody who's coming to the college for the very first time. Unfortunately, we can't be obviously face-to-face for theory classes. That's obviously my preference. I really enjoy it. But you know what? We got to do the best we can and make do with the conditions that we've been given. And at least we're able to get in for some labs and get some of that hands-on, hopefully hands-on work done as well. So welcome to the college and welcome back for everybody who is returning students. Welcome and I'm happy to see you all. And we'll see you in class on Monday. All right, take care everyone.